yums, the peaches, pajama-rama.
What the fuck are you
See them yum-yums in your pajamas.
What's up, y'all? We're back in the kitchen again.
Yes, we are.
And we got some basic shit.
Pasta Roni.
Garlic and olive oil, vermicelli.
Vermicelli.
Vermicelli! And what else?
Peach Izzy.
And a whole lot of
Bisticks.
Man, I ain't gonna lie, I think I want one of these first because they're nice and hot.
Ow, fuck, that's hot. Truly hot.
Mmm.
Ooh, you see when you
The steam.
peel it apart?
Yes, yum yum.
Ooh,
Bro.
butter.
And this pasta, bro. See, Rissy was talking shit because I put the pasta powder in before I was supposed to. But she ain't know that's how you're supposed to do it. They lied on the box.
Mmm. Mmm. Fire.
Bro.
Ooh, look at that. Hot.
Biscuits are so good when they're still warm.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm, yummy.
Apparently they have a new flavor. Peach.
Ooh. Ooh, that's strong.
Woke my ass right the fuck up. Tastes like fancy top ramen.
Mm. This shit is bomb. Wow.
Don't you do it, meow meow. Number 2.
How many biscuits can you eat in 30 seconds?
Ha! You ever just look at something and you think, wow, what are you made of? How did you get this way?
These are 70% juice. Did you know that? Soda without being a soda.
That's amazing.
Oh, yeah, these are good. The second biscuit. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh. I felt that go down my body.
Don't you just love noodles? I love me a good nude.
A good nude. We love the nudes. Send the nudes. Only big packages. There's always that moment. Wait. Hey! Y'all see what she be doing when I close my eyes? She be taking my noodles. Y'all, that was delicious. It was just 2 things, but it was still good. Well, technically 3 with the Izzy.
Yeah, so all y'all who's in there yet again saying, there's no food without meat, you're a lie, because that was pasta Roni.
It has milk, but there's no meat. No meat. Right? It's vegetarian. And it's like $1 a box, right? It's like $2 a dollar a box. So are the biscuits, so.
No, dude.
That was worth it. One more biscuit for the team.
Woo! That was a lot to swallow.
I wish everyone could experience how great a soft, hot, warm biscuit is.
You know, I was just thinking about people who always want to help themselves to your drink and stuff. I was just thinking next time, you know, just tell them after you see them enjoying it, you know, I backwash. Watch that motherfucker never touch your shit ever again. They'll be like hella gross. Like what?
Like I've been drinking spit.
Mm-hmm. Food particles.
Ow.
That was good. I rate that a 7 out of 10.
I'm full.
Be sure to comment and subscribe. Hit T and threw me off my
Hit
game.
that bell button.
So you get a notification every single time we do what? Post a video.
I don't know what happened. Oh, you damn girl.